Yes, guys, if you're looking to create a Tumbler design, make sure it's the right size, make sure it's downloaded, ready to sell on a platform like Etsy, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you 3 ways of creating a Tumbler design, firstly, and then getting it all done, edited, downloaded, ready to sell on a platform like Etsy. Now, this will work for a digital download Tumbler design, or it can be even for your print on demand, because obviously you need to upload your design on the physical product anyway. So this is for you, mate. Okay, guys, I'm on Kittl right now. My go-to design platform is absolutely fantastic. It's really intuitive. It's one of the best platforms out there to create designs to sell on platforms like Etsy and creating other digital products. It's fantastic, guys. Do check it out. I do have a link below where you can try it out, free access, and see if you like it as much as I do. But do check it out. Look, I'm on the homepage right now. And you can see it, you can create designs for many things, from t-shirts to tote bags to caps to mugs. It goes on, and you can create for many, 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 many items. Wall art, yeah, it goes on. And what's amazing about Kittl is very intuitive, and it has really shows all the trending designs that are coming up, so that you're able to understand also what designs are in at the time, what things are working, what things are selling, and it's absolutely fantastic. And the quality that you'll find with Kittl is also really, really high. They are one of the ones that have really high quality design styles, fantastic fonts, fantastic layers that you can use. And it also has its own AI as well, where you can create designs through prompts. So it's absolutely fabulous. So this is how we start. The first thing we do is create new project. So we click new project, right? So click that at the top first. Okay, once you've clicked the project, now you need to make sure that you get your size, your settings right for your actual Tumbler wrap. You need to make sure that it's correct. Now, I'm obviously going for a 20-ounce skinny Tumbler wrap, so I need to make sure that the settings are correct, the width, the height, the units, and the DPI. So this is what you need to do, where you input your information. Now, obviously, input your information according to what you want to produce, or what type of Tumbler, what size Tumbler wrap you would like. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do mine in inches. You can do pixels or millimeters. I like to use inches as my unit. And I'm going to put the 20-ounce skinny width and height, which is 9.3 width by 8.2 inches. And the DPI obviously is 300. Make sure that you get that good quality. And then you click create. Okay. So this is my artboard here in the middle, and this is the actual size for my 20-ounce skinny Tumbler wrap, right? This is what I'm going to be using. So this is the important thing, is you need to make sure that you get the size correct first, right? And then you can create the design. Now, there's a few ways of doing this. Like I said, I want to show you 3 ways of doing this, right? Now, if I take you to the left here on the side, you've got many different things here that you can use and look at. You've got things from, elements that you can include. You can put text, which you can use. You got brand kits. You can upload your own design. You could use something from maybe another software, another platform, a design that you created, bring it in. You can create your own, get your own images. You can actually create your own designs through Kittl AI. So there's many features here. So I want to take you through some of these features. The first one is the upload, right? And the upload is actually bringing in a design that you created. So obviously, let's say you've uploaded the design you've created on another platform and brought it in. So you click your uploads, and your uploads will have all your designs here that you've actually brought in or created, right? So I'm just going to go through and look down at, just look lots of these designs maybe that I've created previously. And I can look to bring something in as my Tumbler design, right? So there's lots of designs that I've already got. And obviously I can create my own. So I've actually got something that I've already done previously. I'm just going to use a design that I've got. I mean, it could be even this books and flowers. Let me just click on that. And once I click on it, it should appear onto my actual Tumbler wrap. Now, I might want to just make sure that it fits the size of the actual artboard, And this could be, I might be doing a design for maybe book lovers, Tumbler wrap for book lovers. But this is really just to show you exactly how it works. Now, you could bring in a design. Like I said, I created this actual design, I think. This was actually created, I believe, on Kittl itself. But you can bring in anything that you've created in another platform, whether it be Midjourney, Leonardo, and upload it onto the Kittl platform and then just drop it in there. And I've just dropped it in there, just there. So that is one way that you can actually create your designs. Obviously, there is another way. So I'm just going to delete this very quickly, get rid of that. And then I'm going to go to, I'm going to click on images. And what you will see is see what I like about Kittl is they have trending, a lot of trending things, whether it be photos or images. These are just trending photos that are going right now. If I click on Kittl AI images, you can also find, images also. So if I just type in something, and the thing is, it will show you also the trending ones at the time of doing the video. So if I say something like books, if I say books, click enter. Let's say I'm going for that sort of niche of book lovers. And so it will give me book related images, right? That's quite nice. Oh, there's some really nice ones actually. Oh, this is quite good. Look at this one. So they have their own bank of images as well that you can use, which is amazing, right? And I could show you a whole list of book related ones if I keep going down. I mean, this is really nice. Some of these, you got these. This is a different style one. I'm going to click this one. Actually, sorry. Let me go up here, click this one. I like this one. So I've just clicked the image that I like. And obviously I can use this one, stretch it out, make sure it fits, make sure it actually fits well. So this could be like a book lover, an image for a Tumbler wrap for a book lover. Now, obviously, you've got this. This is at 100%. I've zoomed in, it's quite blurry right now. But if I click on the image, what you'll see on the side as well, which is really cool and fantastic, is you've got something called the AI image upscaler to make sure that the image is upscaled sufficiently for you with the right resolution so that it can actually be used. As I said, you can also create your own image, but I'm going to show you how to do that using prompts in a second. But let me just click image upscaler. Let me just click that very quickly. So that could be something that you could use. But let me just get rid of this image for now. All right. But like I said, whatever you type in at the top here, you'll be able to get images, AI images related to it. Look, there's so many images, right? Look at that with books. I like the idea of the books and flowers, which is what I like as well. Okay. Now, the other method is if you go down here, which is Kittl AI, click that. And this is your image generator, right? So if I click image generator, and again, I'm going to say books and flowers in watercolor, because watercolor is a popular style for this kind of design. So I'm going to keep it in a watercolor style. I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not going to add, if you want to add more detail, the better. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it a very simple prompt. And then I'm going to click generate image at the bottom. And then what it should do is it should produce for me an image which is based on what I would like, right? Now, obviously, if you're not happy with the image itself, you can produce other images and you can try again. So there's a lot of options that you can use, and you can also choose what kind of style you want. You can go into a vector style, more clip art style, or like I said, I use that watercolor style. When you click on it, it can also give you like a little bit more of a watercolor style. So if I click generate again, it's probably going to produce something a little bit more different. Okay, so you can see this one is a different style to that one. I kind of like this one a little bit more watercolor. Now this has its benefits too, right? But for the sake of argument, just put this on the side for now. Let me just stretch this one out. Actually, probably this one probably works better as a Tumbler on a Tumbler design. Yeah, it's quite nice. Let me just lift it higher to make sure I got my books in. Yeah, it's quite nice. Now this is at 100%. Let me zoom into 200%. Zoom into 400. This is a lot of zooming in, right? But what I can do is if I want to increase the resolution, the quality of the image, as I've said previously, there are ways of doing this where I'm going to show you in a second. Let me just go back. You can always go back, and if you say like you don't like what you've used, you can always try again, or you can just and you can stretch out that design. That's quite nice as well. Quite nice, simple, a little bit more simple. The other one was a bit busy. Let me zoom in to 200%. Okay, it's quite good still, but it definitely needs upscaling. So then what you do is you click your image upscaler here. As it does its thing, you'll be able to tell once it's done the improved quality of the design. Now, obviously, okay, so that has been upscaled now, and you can instantly see the quality. If I click on 200%, you can see how the quality has improved drastically, right? It's much sharper design, right? Obviously I've shown many videos of ways of upscaling, but Kittl also has a really good upscaler depending on what size of product that you want to produce. And then once you're happy with your design, remember that's 3 ways. One was uploading, second was actual images that Kittl has, and the third, creating an image through the actual AI, and then you would download it. So how I like to download it is click download, have it as a PNG file. You got your width, double check your width and your height, make sure it's all correct. You can optimize the quality also further. And then once you click that, you would click download, and then you would be exporting your image in the correct size and format. And guys, that is it. It's as simple as that. That's how to very quickly create a tumbler wrap design. This is a 20 ounce. Remember to make sure that you input the right information for the size that you would like. Hope you liked the video. Do check out Kittl. The link is there. Free access. Try it out for free. It's fantastic. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.